Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Water chemistry changes fast when temperature rises above room level. Let's solve this problem about pH and pOH at 37 degrees Celsius in 3 steps. The autoionization of water is an endothermic process, meaning it absorbs heat to break bonds. When we increase the temperature to 37 degrees, the equilibrium constant Kw increases to higher values. According to Le Chatelier's principle, adding heat shifts the reaction toward the products. This means more hydronium and hydroxide ions are produced, making the concentration of both ions significantly higher now. Consequently, pH and pOH drop below 7 due to higher ion concentrations. Since pure water stays neutral, they remain equal, making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option C.